What is going on, everybody? Let us start our turn here. So, not a whole lot to do, but we can be very productive this turn, and I'm going to do that. We have a bride for Alexander, who I believe is our second eldest brother here. Yes, that is our other brother. Our youngest brother is David Camor. He was adopted. He was adopted by our king, though, which is good. I wish he was adopted by our king, but he's not. Oh well, whatever. We have 2 extra guys right here, so take these. Basically, this is like a general. We don't even count him as part of him. So we want him to have a kid, but I mean, if all these guys die, we'll just go over to these guys, so it's fine. Plus, he's really good too. So now we can fight this army here. I'm not going to do that because I mean, if we can avoid fighting it, we will. If this is a hot seat, and I want to take as less like the least amount of casualties that I can, so we're going to do that. First thing I'm going to do is queue up that, so I don't forget to do that. We're also going to move Macbeth here. Macbeth, we're going to move him right around here to this bend in the road. We're just going to build a watchtower. We don't really need a watchtower right now, though. It's not top priority. Save my money for something else. We're going to move him here, though, because we need to put a fort here. Because if this falls, I want to be able to be... I don't want people to come in from the mountains. Can you go that way? You cannot. Okay, good. You can come here and you can build a fort, I believe, here. Can you get... If you were to walk there, you can't walk from there to... No, you can't. Okay, you can walk up through this way, though, which I don't want anyone to do. So we're going to put a fort right here. Yes, right there. Put a fort right there. Guards that. He'll go back on the next turn to the city, or castle rather. Okay. See, that's why we don't want to fight England. They're top militarily, because they have this force and they have that full, almost, basically a full stack of their capital too. So we're going to move away, go over here. I'm going to put a watchtower down though. That's good. So the watchtower that we were going to build here, we just built up there now. So he's going to put a fort here. I can move him out. Does he provide that much income? He doesn't provide that much income. Okay, we're going to put a fort and a watchtower here as well. First, though, I want to queue up some units here. Just get another army going. Can we get one of these guys? I want you. Cool. Alright. Not bad, not bad. Malcolm's Watch is really under-defended, but that's okay. I'm going to send these guys... Can I train these guys at High Guard? I can't. Did I just start with these guys? I think I might have just started with these guys. I did. That's unfortunate. We'll build that next we can. I can train these guys somewhere, can I? Here. That's so far away. We gotta get up High Guard. I need High Guard to be this is like center of our lands. This is kind of frontier. I don't expect him to attack me. I don't expect him to attack me anytime soon, but I just want to be prepared in case he does. These two should be able to hold out long enough for me to build up my forces, and I need to put over here because Spanish are here as well. I should probably build up a fleet as well. I think I was moving a fleet somewhere, wasn't I? Yes, with a diplomat. So I gotta go out and talk to the Papal States. We're gonna do that. Send our fleet back after that. Okay. I want you to come here. Okay, put a watchtower in these woods. Right here. Can you not put a watchtower here? Not enough money. I don't have enough money. Okay. We'll just sit him here, and next turn we'll come back. He has plenty of loyalty. He shouldn't run away. Aloof. Minus popularity. Ooh, that's not good. We could cancel something somewhere, but I'm not going to do that. Building a castle there. Fort. There's going to be a fort there. Eventually I want a fort there as well, so we can just defend these as best as we can. A lot of units of Spear Militia. They're the backbone of our army right now. I hate to say it. But the next turn, we'll be able to train some Highland nobles, so that's good. These mines are giving a good source of income too. I want to hold Edward's Gate as long as I can. Excuse me, I just lost my voice for a second. I want to hold Edward's Gate for as long as I can because it's a very useful settlement to have as well. As well, you can also defend Canmore Keep even more if you put... If you were to put a fort here, and then a fort right here at this this crossing, it'd be very hard for someone to take Canmore Keep. This is very defensible, so I want to hold on to this as long as I can. I'm just going to fort up all around here. I saw that Barry Knight put a lot of forts. I don't know how I can see that. I saw that Barry Knight put a lot of forts up over here. He put like here, here, and I think over here somewhere. And so if I were to go and attack that, then it would be, he could just sally out with that and attack my army. Which that's a very useful region. This one isn't as useful as Edward's Gate, but Edward's Gate is defensible enough to where I have that fort there and that fort there. If Edward's Gate falls, I can fall back to this position. A fort there. You can't get in through there because of that fort. Yeah, a fort there and a fort there is useful. I'm going to try that. I don't know if I'll be able to put a fort there, but I can try to at least put one like right here or something. There's already a watchtower there though, but I don't know. We'll figure it out. Next turn we'll have some more gold to do that with. Let me see, you're going to build that fort soon too. Okay, we're going to build a lot of forts next turn. All of our armies out of range. He cannot get to us, so we don't have to worry about that. There is the army that we were talking about. I actually promised to give him, I told him he could just take Terre and Caslo, because Terre, you know, it would fill in the rest of my kingdom, but I mean, I really just want this capital, man. This capital is going to be worth a lot, and I want to get to it. The income's, you know, 1528, which it's, you know, it's more than my capital. It's got a nice population. It's got a nice public order. It should have some more upgrade. They're probably building stuff right now, so I need to take it as soon as I can. So we're going to move this up here, and I'm going to move this spy closer to that. You can move there, and 3 turns until we'll be able to talk to him. Just keep heading that way. Okay, so we're going to put probably a watchtower here. We could actually put 2 forts here as well, but I like to have a watchtower on the border just in case, just to see if anything is coming. I will eventually put a watchtower here too, because there's like a blind spot right there, but this guy's not standing around, and it's just annoying me. Eventually, I don't need to worry about that right now though. Okay, I need to upgrade Malcolm's Watch too next. That should be the next thing I do, because these are in like these are like the heart of my lands, you know. All these are frontier provinces, you know. I think these 2 especially. These are like frontier. These are kind of jutting out of my coastal 3 regions here. These 3 regions I want to be able to hold. Rolinad is not the most defensible because of this part right here. This border needs to be defended well if I am to go to war with Rampaned. And I also need to get some ships as well so I can defend my borders. I'm not expecting a war anytime soon, but it's good to expect the unexpected. So I'm gonna prepare for that, because I mean, what are they gonna do? They've already finished off the Aztecs, so they're just gonna build up now and decide whether to attack me or Venice. So I'm gonna take the initiative here, and I'm gonna defend myself before I think there's a real threat. So I think that's the end of this. We're going to check the stats, though, just because everyone always checks these, and it's fun to look at them. This is like my favorite part of videos. So Turks and Aztec are dead. It looks like, what is that, Egypt? No, those are Mongols. The Mongols are going down because of the Arab Plains. Okay, those are the AI factions. Let's take a look at the human factions. Human factions, we're down there with Venice and the Papal States. But I mean, my ally... I have a very strong ally, and I trust Viscal Jouster a lot. So hopefully the Valdokians keep the word and defend me well. Now, what I'm really impressed about is the Principality of the Amber Plains. They start off, you know, below everybody, basically. They're not the best, like, militarily. It's really impressive what he's done so far. But Valdokia and Barry Knight, I mean, I think in the end, it's just, if these 2 end up going to war, I mean, I'm just going to be like the friggin' Riverlands here, man. It's not going to be good. Now, me, Venice, and the Papal States are basically all tied down here at the bottom. I'm trying to catch up, and honestly, once I take this capital, that should boost me a lot. Once I take these 2 provinces here. I think, yes, he's pushed up into Kotsun. I need to talk to him about Chizon, because I want that. But that's not top priority. My top priority is Naxon. I want to get Naxon before he does. Yeah, he pushed up north. That's what I thought he was going to do. He might not be heading that direction, but we'll see. We need to get updated map information with him too. I'm going to move this guy away. We have a spy coming that way. I'm going to move this guy. Because next time we'll just move the spy and we'll be able to see. So I'm going to move this guy out this way to take a look into the woods. So I can see if there's anything coming this way. Is this under siege or anything? It's not under siege. Interesting. I just want to see if there's any... If he was sending an army towards the capital. I should be unopposed heading towards the capital then. I don't know what this guy's going to do. He might head up this way once they attack that. But it's not that difficult an army. It's just a bunch of militia and spearmen. But shut up. Look, what I have here, I have 2 generals, but I mean, I don't want to be bothered with that right now. I have Edward and I have Stefan here, so I need to get. I don't want to have my prince and my king together, but I don't really have a choice. So I think that's going to be the end of this episode, guys. Make sure you check out everyone else's channels in the description below, and see you next time.